Nino, Kirigan 150. Sa akin na to. Foul. Foul number 18. First personal foul, second team foul. Sab, pasok, sige. Pasok lang ang pasok, sige po. Oh. Sige. First shot is good. Ayaw mo ka rin ikaw, Orta? Di pinansin? Gara, di pinansin? Second shot, no good, not even 1-9. Bumibilis, bumabagal, binigay kay number 18. Sa gilid, no good, not even Nino. Foul number 9. First personal foul, first team foul. Inbound number 19, pass to number 13, Solero, binigay kay number 18, good for 2. Number 22, pass to number 11, pass to number 9. Nag-iisip, kumawat sa ulo. Pass to number 0, back to number 9, pass to number Raider 150. Dumiretso, no good, lari ko number 88. Number 80, pass to number 18. Pass to number 88, good for 2. Score natin, 24-23. Lamang ang labasan. Sub down. Number ano daw? 150. Foul. Foul number 88. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Lupet, may tali sa ano? Ay gagit. Number 1, pass to number 150. May electrical sa ano, braso. Pass to number 26. Pass to number 1. Lead 150. No good, not even the number 19. Foul number 26. Foul. Second personal foul, second team foul. Number 88, pass number 18, pass number 88, bigay kay number 19. Pass number 88 ulit, binigay sa ilalim. Out of bounds, labasan ball. Number 1, pass number 26. Binigay ko ulit yung number 1, I still Nino, and number 88, pass number 19. Layup is
good.
Basket count.
Change favor. Oh.
Foul number 1. First personal foul, third team foul. Bonus straw para kay number 19. Sub down. Bonus threes, no good, nakuha na number 26. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Layup is good for 2. Number 88. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 88. Number 88, sumubok sa trash. No good, nakuha Nino, number 26. Pass to number Raider 150. Pass to number 1. Nagaw, Nino, number 88. Number 88. Nawala ang bola. Traveling violation. Number 150, pass number 26, pass number 1. Pass to number 26. Binalik kay number 1. Mga titira sa press.